This is Kat. She's a working mom of one, running on caffeine, deadlines, and a toddler with a chesty cough.
Yup, that was my whole week.
Her little one had a stubborn, phlegmy cough that just wouldn't quit.
He couldn't clear phlegm properly, especially at night. None of us could really rest well.
And like most kids, he hated the taste of medicine.
One sniff and he would disappear. Honestly, I get it.
Then she found Flumucil, orange-flavored granules that dissolve into a tasty drink.
It sounded promising, so I gave it a shot.
He actually liked it. No fuss, no drama, and it cleared his phlegm fast, without making him drowsy.
Honestly, it's a huge relief for both of us.
Now that he's sleeping better, so is she. No more 3 a.m. wake-ups, and way less coffee.
Happy time, happy mommy, and way less chaos.